much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. And down here there's quite a lot of templates which you can use, and if you scroll down you're gonna see a bunch of them. Some of them you may see a crown icon or a diamond icon. Those templates pretty much mean that you're gonna need a subscription to use them. So let's say for example you want to try out the transformation template here, which with the lady with the wings. All you have to do is just tap on that option, and here you only be able to use 3 templates for completely free for the day. So here you're gonna have to watch an ad to unlock the template. So once you watch the ad, you'll be able to have access to this template here. All you have to do, upload a clear image of yourself or a small image to this here, so you can get the best results. So very simple guys, very simple. So same thing applies to the video option. Let's say you want to use one of these templates here, tap on the template that you want to use. Some of them, if not all, you're going to need a subscription. As you can see here, Procreate, you're gonna need a subscription. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the image to video option, where you can upload an image, give it the prompt that you want to use or description of that image or anything like that. The text to image option here, you can upload a prompt, and also tap on the model option here. You can use Google VO3 option there as well. And down here you can select the aspect ratio. You can choose any one of these, and down here as well you can select the resolution. So it all depends upon what you want to use. Down here you have the watch ad to unlock option, and pretty much can use this only 3 times per day. Only use 3 features per day, So at the top here you may see a star icon. If you tap on that option here, or the star icon, you'll be able to see your subscription, where pretty much can get their pro subscription to have access to some of their templates, their AI templates and their AI videos. So very easy application to use. Nothing much or nothing hard for you to understand. If you still don't understand, you may need to rewatch the video again, or comment below what you don't understand in this video. Over here as well you have the project section. This is pretty much where you will see all the videos that have been generated by AI. Image to video or text to video, whatever the case is, will over this section here. And as well the photo AI, which pretty much use a template. All you have to do is just upload a picture and you get any one of these results here. So at the top here you have the text to image option, which you can generate an image just by entering a prompt. Also you have the models which you can select. And of course the higher model will require a pro subscription, and you do get to use this 5 times only 5 times for completely free, but you got to watch ads each time. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much for this section here. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to help you out. And hope I see you again in the next tutorial.